Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our Q1, Week 4, Day 1 lesson. So our learning competency for this week, we're going to distinguish mixtures from substances based on a set of properties. Alright, so let's understand now. How are we going to distinguish compound from a mixture? So here is the table. Let us differentiate. So when we say compound, it has its own composition or fixed composition, while mixture has no fixed composition. Okay? So si compound po is made up of two or more elements chemically combined in definite proportions by weight, while mixture is made up of two or more substances. So pwedeng pinagsamang dalawang compound ay matatawag na nating mixture. So, not chemically combined in varied proportions. So, in terms of property, si compound has its own set of properties. So, the elements combined chemically do not retain their individual properties, while mixture does not have its own properties. The substances physically combined retained their individual properties. So in terms of method of separation, C compound can be separated through chemical reaction only, while mixture can be separated through physical means or physical separation. So what are the examples of compounds? So we have water. Bakit compound si water? Si water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen, dalawang element. So, compound. Carbon dioxide, we have sodium chloride and baking soda. While mixture, what are the examples of mixture? We have cement, a combination of sand, water, and gravel. And air is also a mixture. Water and salt. So, water is a compound, salt is another compound. So, that is a salt solution or also known as seawater. So let's apply now. Tingnan natin kung natutunan natin yung concept natin kanina. So here are the given examples. We have methane, chop suey, and salt solution. So i-check lang po natin yung mga boxes kung yung given example ba ay compound o mixture. So unahin natin si methane. So methane with the chemical formula of CH4, so a combination of two elements, we have carbon and hydrogen right here. So ano po kaya siya? Compound po kaya siya or mixture? So siya po ay compound. At dahil po siya ay compound, ibig sabihin, can be separated through chemical reaction. That is check. Kapag sinabi pong compound, has its own set of properties ba o does not have its own set of properties? A compound has its own set of properties. Okay? At kapag sinabing compound, fixed po ba yung composition niya or no fixed composition ba siya? Look at the formula. So kapag sinabing fixed, dapat eksakto. So CH4, isang carbon, apat na hydrogen. So ibig sabihin fixed composition siya. Okay, so look at the pattern. So kapag compound po ang sagot ninyo, automatic ito po yung mga may check na susunod. So how about chop suey? Chop suey ay isang klase ng gulay, pinagsama-samang gulay. Okay? So makikita pa ba natin yung mga ingredients ng chop suey kapag niluto na siya? Yes, makikita pa rin natin siya, ma-identify pa rin natin yung mga ingredients. So ibig sabihin yan po ay mixture. At dahil mixture po ang sagot natin dyan, can be separated through chemical reaction ba ang isang mixture? No, kasi yun ay pag-aari ni compound. So, ibig sabihin, ang chop suey can be separated through physical means. So, pwede natin paghiwa-hiwalayin yung mga ingredients. Okay? na pwede nating paghiwa-hiwalayin sa pamamagitan ng physical means. So, ibig sabihin din po, pag mixture does not have its own set of property. Hindi natin pwedeng isagot si has its own set of property kasi may check po dun sa kay compound. So, dapat po dito ay does not have its own set of properties. So, fixed po ba ang composition? Yung chop suey ba, dapat ba pare-parehas ang bilang ng mga ingredients? So, hindi naman nangangahulugan na pare-pareho ang bilang ng ingredients niya. So, kahit mas marami yung ibang ingredients ay okay lang. Chop suey pa rin siyang matatawag. So, no fixed composition. Salt solution. Okay, ang salt solution po ay, yung salt po ay compound, binubuo ng dalawang element, sodium and chlorine. Kapag sinabing salt solution po, ibig sabihin yung salt ay tinunaw po o hinalo sa tubig, sa water. Water is another compound. So, salt solution po ang tawag doon. Kapag pinagsamang salt at water. So, dahil pinagsamang dalawang compound, siya po ay mixture. Okay? So, again, kokopyahin na lang po ninyo dahil mixture po ang sagot natin. Ibig sabihin, yung mga nasa baba ay katulad din po nung yung isasagot natin dito sa salt solution. So, can be separated through physical means, does not have its own set of property, and no fixed composition. Okay? So, regardless kung mas marami yung asin na ihalo sa tubig, ay okay lang. Okay, so let's analyze now. So, sabi po dyan, blood is a fluid found in the bodies of humans and other animals. So, it can be physically separated into plasma, red blood cells, and white blood cells. So, the question is, how will you classify blood? So, paano ba natin siya makaklassify? Siya ba ay isang compound or isang mixture? So, again, ano yung clue para masagutin niyo po yung tanong dyan? Sabi po dyan, eto po, i-highlight ko yung word na naka-underlined. Ayan po. It can be physically separated into plasma. Physically separated. Ano po ba yung pinag-aralan natin kanina na pwede daw paghiwalayin through physical means? Yun po ba ay compound or mixture? Okay, so state your reasons kung ano po yung inyong sagot. Kung ang sagot nyo ay compound, bakit siya naging compound? Kung ang sagot nyo ay mixture, bakit siya mixture? So we are now with Quarter 1, Week 4, Day 2 and 3. Okay, so let us now understand what is a matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So, lahat po or kahit anong bagay na nag-occupy ng space at mayroong mass ay matatawag po natin na matter. So, example, yung ating table, yung chairs, o yung mga toys ninyo, yung mga laruan na ginagamit po ninyo. Basta lahat ng nahahawakan ninyo na nag-occupy ng space at mayroong mass ay matatawag po natin na matter. Matter is divided into two. We have pure substances and mixture. When we say pure substances, it consists of only one type or consists of only one type of atom or molecule. So, ito po ay nahahati naman sa dalawang klase. Na-discuss na po natin. We have element and compound. So, ano yung mga examples ng elements? So, lahat po na nasa periodic table ay mga elements. So, example, we have carbon, o C. We have H, hydrogen, oxygen, and sodium. And ano naman yung mga examples ng compound? Pinagsamang mga elements. We have H2O, water, NaCl, sodium chloride, and CO2, carbon dioxide. While mixture is consists of two or more different substances mixed at no definite or fixed composition. So, ito po ay nahahati naman sa dalawang klase. The first one is homogeneous mixture and the other one is heterogeneous mixture. So, ano naman pinagkaiba ng dalawang ito? So, si homogeneous mixture po, yung composition and appearance is uniform throughout. While si heterogeneous mixture, composition is not uniform throughout. Okay, so para mas malinawan po tayo, look at this diagram here. So matter, again, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Ayan po, so nahati sa dalawa, pure substances and mixture. So si pure substances po ay nahati din sa dalawa, element and compound. While mixture, nahati din po sa dalawa, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So example po ng homogeneous mixture po is milk. So uniform po throughout. Si heterogeneous po ay example po is halo-halo, hindi uniform. Kasi makikita natin yung mga ingredients. Lahat ng ingredients ay makikita natin. While si milk, hindi po natin makikita yung mga ingredients na nilagay. Ang makikita lang po natin ay liquid. Okay, so let's apply now. Tingnan natin kung makaklasify na natin yung material as pure substance or mixture. Okay, the first given material here is menudo. Menudo po ay isang klase ng ulam. Okay, so pinagsama-samang pork. And then may sauce. So may mga ingredients na iba't ibang klase. So ano po kaya siya? Pure substance po kaya siya or mixture? So siya po ay mixture. Tama. How about iron? This one. Iron, the symbol is Fe. O dahil may symbol, ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Siya po ba ay pure substance or mixture? Siya po ay isang pure substance. Anong klase pong pure substance? Kasi dalawa po yung pure substance, diba? Element at compound. Siya po ay isang element. Next, we have alcohol. So, alcohol. It consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So, dahil pinagsama-samang iba't ibang klase ng element, siya po ay isang compound. At ang compound po ay isang o belong sa pure substance. How about mixed nuts? Pinagsama-samang iba't ibang klase ng nuts. Ano po kaya siya? Siya po ay mixture. Correct. Okay, so let's analyze this one. Okay, tingnan po natin. So we have the materials, coffee jelly, sugar, oil, and water. And then, i-check po natin kung pure substance pa siya, mixture. Kung pure substance siya, anong klaseng pure substance? Element po ba or compound? Kung mixture naman po, kung mixture, anong klaseng mixture po siya? Homogeneous po ba or heterogeneous mixture? So, tingnan natin, isa-isahin po natin. Unahin natin si coffee jelly. Coffee jelly. Okay, so ano po kaya siya? Pure substance po kaya siya or mixture? Ano po ba yung mga ingredients ng coffee jelly? So, may coffee, may jelly, may sugar, may water, may milk, and etc. At lahat pa na ingredients po na yun ay pwede pa nating makita o mapaghiwa-hiwalay. So, ibig sabihin, si coffee jelly po ay mixture. Okay, at dahil mixture siya, anong klaseng mixture po kaya siya? Makikita pa ba natin yung mga ingredients? Uniform po ba yung itsura niya or hindi uniform? So, hindi po siya uniform kasi makikita natin yung iba't ibang ingredients niya. At pwede natin siyang paghiwa-hiwalayin din. So, siya po ay heterogeneous mixture. Alright. How about sugar? So, si sugar po ay pinagsama-samang carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, pinagsama-samang iba't ibang elements. So, therefore, siya po ay compound. So, dahil compound po siya, eto, compound. So, that is, o ibig sabihin po siya ay pure substance. Oil and water. Okay, so kung makikita po natin yung oil and water, can you imagine oil and water pag pinagsama natin? Nagsasama po ba talaga sila? So, hindi po talaga sila nagsasama kasi makikita po natin yung oil on top of water. Okay? So, dahil hindi po sila nagsasama, hindi po uniform. 'Di ba? Kasi nakikita natin yung dalawang klase, yung oil and water. So, ibig sabihin po, yung water po is compound. So, yung oil po is another compound. So, ibig sabihin, pinagsamang compound, siya po ay mixture. So, dahil mixture siya, anong klaseng mixture po ba siya? Homogeneous ba siya? Uniform throughout? Ibig sabihin, hindi ba natin madidistinguish yung oil kay water? Or hetero po ba siya? Makikilala pa ba natin si oil? Alin ang oil? Alin ang water? So, yes, makikilala po natin. Pwede nga nating tanggalin yung oil, di ba, na nasa ibabaw ng water. So, ibig sabihin, siya po ay heterogeneous mixture. Ulitin po natin para mas malinaw. Okay? So, yung coffee jelly, bakit siya mixture? Kasi marami siyang ingredients doon na nakikita natin. Okay? Dahil mixture siya at nakikita natin yung mga different ingredients, so ibig sabihin heterogeneous. Yung sugar, pure substance siya, at siya po ay isang compound, pinagsamang iba't ibang elements. Oil and water, again, kahit pareho silang liquid pero hindi po sila nagsasama, so mixture kasi hindi po uniform. Nakikita natin si oil, nakikita natin si water. So heterogeneous mixture po ang tawag sa kanya. Okay na, so day 4 na po tayo. So let us start. Okay, so for our day 4, let's understand. So a homogeneous type of a mixture commonly mistaken as a pure substance. So yung homogeneous mixture minsan na pagkakamalang pure substance pero magkaiba po sila. Again, pag sinabing homogeneous, that is a mixture, yung iba po siya sa pure substance. So, bakit sila napagkakamalang halos pareho? Because of its appearance. Okay? But this basis is not the best option for us to differentiate if a given sample or material is pure substance or mixture. So, the appearance, odor, the physical state cannot distinguish a substance from a mixture. So, hindi po natin totally mapagbabatayan talaga yung appearance, yung odor, o yung physical state. Ano ba yung physical state? Yung solid ba yan? Liquid? So, hindi natin totally mapagbabatayan para ma-distinguish natin yung substance from a mixture. So, there are two ways that can be done to assess the behavior of a given sample. So, sa pamamagitan po ng boiling and melting. Okay? So, unknown samples can be in the form of a solid or liquid. So we need to choose what we are going to perform, boiling ba or melting. So it depends on the materials, kung ano po yung given material. Okay? An unknown solid material can be identified whether it is a substance or a mixture by determining its melting behavior. So kung solid yung material, melting behavior po yung ating pagbabatayan. If the solid material melts completely or smoothly, then it is a pure substance. If the solid material naman takes a longer time to completely melt, then it is a mixture. Again, so two ways can be done to assess the behavior of a given sample. So boiling, depende po sa given sample na material. So kung solid dyan o liquid, pwede po tayong gumamit ng boiling and melting. If the solid material melts completely or smoothly, so pure substance yun. Kapag yung solid material naman takes a longer time to completely melt, then it is a mixture. An unknown liquid material can be identified naman whether a substance or a mixture by determining its boiling behavior. So if the liquid material has a constant boiling temperature, constant, ibig sabihin hindi nagbabago, then it is a pure substance. Just like for example, water. Water boils at exactly 100 degrees Celsius. So kahit dagdagan pa natin ng maraming tubig, still, mapaunting tubig, mapamaraming tubig, kukulo po yan kapag 100 degrees Celsius na po yung temperature. Okay, so that is a pure substance. If the liquid material boils at a temperature range, magkaiba, or may pagbabago sa temperature, then it is a mixture. Alright, for you, let's create in this week 4. So you are going to create a collage of different mixtures and pure substances found at home. Form an image related to our lesson using the collage picture. So, hindi ko pa ililimit kung anong image ang gusto po ninyong mabuo dyan sa gagawin ninyong collage. So, pwede po kayong gumamit ng old magazine or uh, kung meron kayong mga books dyan na lumang-luma na hindi na ginagamit, pwede nang pagkuha ng pictures, pwede na pong gamitin yan. Or kung kaya nyo po mag-draw, pwede rin naman. For as long as ma-identify nyo po, mailalagay nyo po doon yung different mixtures and pure substances. Okay? So, I have here an example na ginawa ko po, na sarili ko pong collage. Example lang po ito. So, take a look at this one. So, here is my collage. So, ang image po na nabuo dyan sa different pictures po ng pure substance and mixtures po na nahanap ko ay ayan, mukha naman siyang tao. Okay? So, pwede po kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong image. Kahit anong image po na mabubuo from the pictures po na ididikit po ninyo. Okay, pwede na po sa bond paper, short or long, pwedeng colored paper, kung ano pong available na meron po kayo sa bahay. Okay, so that's it for this week. Okay, so thank you so much. So that's it for our week 4. Good luck guys and keep safe.